Two CPM workers arrested in connection with the death of Sabarimala Karma Samiti worker during the violent protest that broke out in Pandalam. The protest intensified after two women in their 40s entered the shrine on Wednesday. So what we hear as of now is that two CPM workers have been arrested in this case. They are believed to be involved in the protest that broke out in Pandalam. Remember, violent protests broke out after the development of two women entering the shrine at in the wee hours on Wednesday morning. Today, in fact, a statewide bandh has been called in Kerala. The state police managed to escort two women to the shrine in the early hours of Wednesday, but after the news spread about the entry of women, there were protests among certain section of the devotees. Pramod Madhav joining us on the phone line. Pramod, can you tell us about the arrests that have been made and what exactly is the role played by these two individuals in the protest? And also, let's not forget, one person got killed as well in the protests.
Well, that is true and very unfortunate that such an incident occurred yesterday night at Pandalam, the very place which is very close to Sabarimala. In fact, Pandalam royal family is the one that is also taken as a very much related to Sabarimala itself. And yesterday in the night, what happened is that certain right-wing activists, they had gone ahead and they were protesting in front of CPM office at Pandalam, and that is where the stone pelting break out. And people were saying, both factions were throwing stones at each other. And unfortunately, Chandran was caught in between it, and he passed away. Right, as you mentioned, two people have been arrested now. A person called Kannan, another from Aju, have been arrested by CPM. The police in relation to the death of Chandran, and investigation is in progress.
All right, let's hope that the guilty are punished. Two CPM workers arrested as of now. Thanks very much for joining us. Pramod with the latest information.